Hey out there, Slot Car Land. How's everybody doing this week? I thought I was going to do this live, but I thought I'd do this taped just in case I need to do some editing or whatever to get things going. But we're going to be putting in our power supply for our racetrack today. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need some electrical terminals, some wire, and an electrical terminal. So you're going to need your little ends for your wires, and you're going to need an electrical terminal. Now, if you're doing a 4-lane racetrack, you're going to need to have at least 8 spots on your terminal to be able to do each lane. And then you're going to have to make some jumpers to move your power across, because these are in line with one another. So to move the power across, you're going to have to jump your power from where your power comes in to your lanes here. So these go out to your track, and these are coming in from your driver station. So where your power hooks up to your driver station goes here from a regular power pack, and the line that goes to the track from your power pack comes from this side. So what I'm going to do is here, and I'm going to go offline. I'm going to stop the camera for a minute. I'm going to wire up one lane, see if it works, see if I'm going the right direction, and then I'll come back to you guys and I'll show you how to do the next lane. So hold on. Okay. Now that I have this all figured out, so as you can see, I've got my terminal mounted. Turn this power supply off. And I've got my jumpers jumped. So what we've got here is this is your positive side coming in, jumped all the way across for your 4 stations, because you got a 4-lane racetrack. This is the negative side coming in, and it's jumped this way 4 times. So this here going out on this side, which is the negative wire, is going to the racetrack. This side, which is a positive wire, is coming to your driver station over here. And then this is the wire going back to the track, which we don't have to mess with because that's already wired. So now all we need to do, kind of tight space under here, so we need to figure out which of these power packs is, oh, hold on, we can't do that. Okay, that's okay. We'll make do here. Got to figure out which one of these power packs is blue lane. So this is the track side. This is the power side. Are we going under? Ah, so it's this one right here. Okay, so this is blue. So this is blue lane. So let's hand this. I don't think it'll fit. So this is blue lane. Trying to save these power packs as much as possible. So we've got some wire that we can use for wiring. So where'd my wire cutters go? Right here. So we're just going to cut this. Now hold on, we need to figure out where it's going where. Okay, so this must be going back to the track. Let's okay, we're going to need to remove that. Where'd my little, there it is. Need to remove that staple, it's driving me crazy. Okay, so that's this side. Let's strip this a little more so we can see what's going on here. Okay. So this is going to, alright, so I'm back. Okay, so this is our terminal. So let's cut it right here. So this is going to the terminal, and let's measure out the wire here. So we've got, so this one will go right here. So let's we'll strip it. And what did I do with my Phillips screwdriver? We'll put our end on it. And then we'll crimp it down here. Make sure you test it, make sure you got it crimped on there really well. And then, where the hell did it go? Ah, there it is. I'm almost under it. Okay, so now this goes here. That goes right there. Okay, so now this one is the one, right? Yeah. So this, let's get some of this out of the way. This will go over here to that side, so we should be able to pull all of this. This should be able to come out the back side without any issue. Okay, so alright, now there's our wire. So we'll strip this. Put our end on. Crimp it. Make sure we got a good connection there. And loosen our terminal. Ooh, that one's kind of stiff. There we go. And we're in. Now we should be good to go for blue. So let's bring the camera out here. Blue lane, black, white. Oh, helps if you turn the power supply back on. Okay. Alright, I got these backwards. Okay. So we need to flip-flop the wires. Alright, let's turn the power supply back on. So it's just trial and error. So if you get them in there backwards, just go back under, switch them back around, and you should be good to go. Just like that. Oh, damn it. And that's how you wire your layout. So you just continue with that all the way through till you've got all your lanes wired and you're good to go. So that's how you wire your layout. So just got to remember that if you already got your track wired per power pack, the only wires you're messing with to rewire your track to a single power source is the wires that are going away from that power pack. The wire that's going from your terminal, from your driver's station to back to the track that's not connected to the power supply, you don't have to do anything with. So you just have to concentrate on the two wires, the one that's going to the track and the one that's going to your driver's terminal. Those are the only two you have to change into your wire station there to get it to work. And that's it. That's all you got to do. If you've got it wired one per power pack, wiring it up to a single power source is really easy because you're just dealing with the wires from the power pack. The wire you've got going from your station back to the track, that's already done. You don't have to deal with it. It's already completely done. So that's how you wire your track. I hope this helps you guys a little bit. We will be doing this again when we do the 4-lane, geez, I can't talk. The 4x4 oval we're building, we'll be doing this again in that tutorial when we wire it, because we're going to use this same power source. I'm going to buy another one of these. These are only 28 bucks. So I'm going to pick up another one of these G-Jet power supplies, possibly, maybe even a bigger power supply for that. And we'll show you the complete wiring of that track from the driver's stations and the power all the way through. This is just a little upgrade for this track. So some of this is already wired that we don't even have to mess with. So that's when it comes to that track. We'll show you the complete wiring. But I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is if you already have a layout that you have one power pack per lane. How easy it is to do a single power source, because all you're dealing with is the wires, is the two wires from your power pack. So, hope you guys have a great week. Hope this is a little informative for you guys, and I hope you guys have a great week. It's only Tuesday. I may have this up tonight. This may be up tomorrow. There's still maybe some live look-ins into the hobby room here soon. But we're just going at it and getting things done. So have a great week. Continue to race slot cars. Keep the wheels on the downside. You're not a subscriber, please subscribe. There'll be a little notation up here on this side to subscribe, and I'll throw a couple other videos up on the other side. Like maybe if I can find the one for when we redid the driver stations, I'll put that one up as well. So continue to have fun, and I'll catch you guys later in the week. I'm out. Bye.